Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a topic that a lot of you have been asking about. Can you actually buy a Paysafe card using just your SMS? Now, I know what you're thinking. Why would I want to do that? Well, there are a few reasons. Maybe you don't have a bank account or credit card, or maybe you're just trying to keep your financial information private. Whatever the reason, it's a valid question. So, let's get right into it. Can you buy a Paysafe card with SMS? The answer is yes. But there are a few things you need to know first. First of all, not all countries and providers support SMS payments for Paysafe cards. So, you'll need to check with your specific provider to see if they offer this service. Second, even if your provider does support SMS payments, you'll need to have a mobile phone that's capable of receiving and sending SMS messages. Third, you'll need to have enough credit on your phone to cover the cost of the Paysafe card. Once you've got all of those things in place, you're ready to start the process. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to buy a Paysafe card with SMS. Find a provider that supports SMS payments for Paysafe cards. There are a number of different providers out there, so you'll need to do some research to find one that works for you. Sign up for an account with the provider. You'll usually need to provide your name, address, and phone number. Choose the amount of Paysafe card you want to purchase. Paysafe cards come in a variety of denominations, so you can choose the amount that's right for you. Enter your payment information. This will usually include your phone number and the last 4 digits of your credit card number. Confirm your purchase. Once you've entered your payment information, you'll need to confirm your purchase. This will typically involve entering a security code that is sent to your phone via SMS. Wait for your Paysafe card code. Once your purchase is confirmed, you'll receive your Paysafe card code via SMS. This code can then be used to make online purchases. That's all there is to it. Buying a Paysafe card with SMS is a quick and easy way to get the prepaid card you need. Now, let's talk about some of the pros and cons of buying a Paysafe card with SMS. Pros. It's a convenient way to purchase a Paysafe card without having to leave your home. It's a secure way to pay for online purchases. It's a good option for people who don't have a bank account or credit card. Cons. Not all countries and providers support SMS payments for Paysafe cards. You need to have a mobile phone that's capable of receiving and sending SMS messages. You need to have enough credit on your phone to cover the cost of the Paysafe card. Overall, buying a Paysafe card with SMS is a great option for people who are looking for a convenient and secure way to make online purchases. However, it's important to be aware of the pros and cons before you decide to use this method. So, there you have it. The answer to the question, can you buy a Paysafe card with SMS, is yes, but there are a few things you need to know first. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.